You can't lose with Quezon. But the question is, can you win with it? Catch it or ditch it? Pag-usapan natin ang pelikulang Quezon. This is the last movie sa Bayaniverse trilogy from Gerald Darog. And this, like Goyo, was written with Sir Roddy Vera. This film gives us a very interesting take on the life and times of MLQ, or President Manuel L. Quezon. This version is more of a man than a myth. Recurring theme naman sa lahat ng pelikula dito sa Bayaniverse na ito. Kung nakita natin ang kapusukan ni General Luna at ang pagiging chick boy ni Goyo, nakita rin natin dito ang pagkatao, ang tunay na pagkatao ni MLQ. Played brilliantly by Jericho Rosales, who also co-produced this film. You can see that he's invested in a way that transcends his already brilliant chops as an actor. Mas personal, mas gigil, mas totoo. And sa kanya at sa performance ng bawat isang bahagi ng pelikula na ito, the film cleverly presents each face of the man through chapters. Sa iba't ibang conflict niya, sa iba't ibang tao at persona ng kanyang panahon. And through the entire story, we see snippets of ourselves and our times na nakatahi sa guhit ng nakaraan. The Bayaniverse trilogy forces us to come face to face with who we are as Filipinos. Hindi naman sikreto na mula sa unang pelikula, the fictional character of Joven, played by Aaron Villaflor, is our stand-in. Tayo, si Joven. At mula sa kung sino siya noon, 10 years ago, sa unang pelikula, hanggang sa kung sino na siya ngayon at kung sino ang naging siya pagkatapos ng gera. No spoilers, but hashtag tayo si Joven. This movie is beautifully shot, wonderfully written, at yung tamang metro sa paglalahad ng kwento nandun. Hindi mo mararamdaman yung mahigit 2 oras na panonood dito dahil bawat eksena, bawat linya ay mahalaga. Marami pa akong gustong sabihin at marami pa akong gustong pag-usapan natin, pero panoorin nyo muna. It's going to be showing starting October 15 sa cinemas nationwide, and from what I heard, around the world too. Meron ding discount for teachers and students. Bilang social studies teacher myself, this is the kind of film na magandang ipasuri sa mga mag-aaral. Hindi dahil may hinihingi tayong sagot, pero magaganda yung maaaring itanong dahil sa pelikula na ito. Quezon succeeds in putting a period, actually more than that, an exclamation point dito sa Bayaniverse trilogy by driving the point na kung tao ang mga bayani natin noon, baka pwede ring maging bayani ang mga tao ngayon. Hashtag tayo si Joven. So catch